Good morning, guys. How are we?
Good.
Good, how are-
Excited.
Why are you excited? What are we doing?
We're going skydiving today.
Going skydiving over beautiful Wollongong?
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
nervous and excited at the same
Yeah,
time.
looking forward. Yeah,
Awesome.
really looking
Whose
forward.
crazy idea was this?
Actually, kind of both, but he's the
Both
one
of
who
us.
managed everything.
Yeah.
Good work. We got a beautiful day for it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Our plane's waiting.
Yep.
Let's go have some fun.
Let's hit it.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah. I've been more than ready, prepping heavy for this day to come. Bet that if you let me keep it steady, you gon' know who won. I don't take it easy, nothing easy, except for giving up. I don't do no way except these weights that I've been lifting up. Got no fear in my body, no, I don't need nobody. I know everything that got me in, so now nothing can stop me. I just grind and work. Yeah, you know the motto. You know we going hard 'cause we might never see tomorrow. I kept my eye on the face and got real from it. Real. Master patience and free will from it. That's the real motivation, some people kill for it. I keep reaching for greatness because I'm built from it. Here we go. Give it 100, never nothing less. Here we go. We coming, you already know the rest. Here we go. We never settle 'cause we know it best. Here we go. Who wanna test? Leave you out of. Here we go. Give it 100, never nothing less. Here we go. We coming, you already know the rest. Here we go. We never settle 'cause we know it best. Here we go. Who wanna test? Leave you out of. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I kept my eye on the face and got real from it. Real. Master patience and free will from it. That's the real motivation, some people kill for it. I keep reaching for greatness because I'm built from it.
Guys, congratulations!
We did it.
How was that?
It was cool.
Yeah? Would you do it again?
Definitely.
Awesome. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for jumping with us at Skydive
You made our
Australia.
day.
Hope
You
to see
made our day
again.
today.
Woo.
Go again.